Hello everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to fix Steam not working on Windows 10 or Windows 11. First, open Task Manager. In the list of running processes, look for Steam or Steam Client Bootstrapper. If you find any Steam-related process running in the background, right-click it and choose End Task. After closing all Steam tasks, try opening Steam again. If Steam is still not working, press Windows key plus R to open the Run box. Type steam://flush config and press Enter. A small confirmation window will appear. Click OK to clear the Steam configuration files. Once that is done, restart your computer and launch Steam again. Another thing you can try is clearing the Steam local app data folder. Press Windows key plus R again. Type %local app data% and press Enter. Find the Steam folder and delete it. This removes temporary files that may be causing problems. Restart your PC and check if Steam opens properly. If none of these methods work, reinstall Steam. Before uninstalling, open your Steam installation folder and copy the Steam Apps folder to a safe location so your games are not deleted. Then open Settings, go to Apps, find Steam, and uninstall it. After that, download the latest installer from Steam and install it again. Thanks for watching.